What's going on, everybody? Laura's here from Unboxed, where I unbox things for you. And in this episode, I'm going to review a gadget that you might find very useful. Portable DVD player. I bet your computer, your machine doesn't come with one of these. So you might have a stack of DVDs with old movies, maybe family memories that you can't watch because your computer doesn't have a DVD player. So this thing is cheap, as fast, as reliable, as silent, and it's plug and play. So you just have to plug it in with a USB cord right here and it's ready to go. So let me unbox it, plug it in, and show you. All right, so here we have it, the DVD RW external DVD player by, there's no brand actually, but it's a pop-up mobile external DVD player, plug and play. Let's open it up. All right, the package is very simple. I'm just gonna put this out, put the unit out. There's some word manually and a thank you note, which is always very nice, from the manufacturer with an email address where you can complain and rant in case it doesn't work. The machine itself looks very neat. Cool design, sleek. It's got a USB cord, right here. Kind of short, but that's all you need for an external DVD player that you attach to your computer. And I guess that's how you eject the DVD. Let me plug it in and see how that works. All right, so quick update. The thing works. All I have to do is download an app from my Windows machine. You can find free apps on the Windows Store for a DVD player. So the DVD player, the only drawback that it has, it doesn't come with an app. You have to, it doesn't work right away. You have to download a free app from the Microsoft Store. If you have a Windows machine, it will allow you to play the DVD, but the DVD plays perfectly. Here it is, and I'll see you next time.